Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day 5 of calligraphy. So, today we'll be learning the group 2 letters, which include C, E, O, A, and D. So, first one is C. Start it from the middle of this box with a thin stroke, go down with a thick stroke, come up with a thin stroke. Thin, thick, thin, thin, thick, thin. Make sure you write it a little cross. So this is same like our basic stroke, C basic stroke. So next one is E. Same, write a C plus, write a C and then make a thin stroke like this. So you get a E. Make a C stroke and then make it E. Thin, thick, thin, and then again a thin stroke. So next one is O. Again it's the same. Write a C, go up with a thin stroke again and make a small curve to make it O. Write a C, thin, thick, thin, go up with a thin stroke and make a curve. So next letter is A. So come up with a thin stroke, go down with a thick stroke, again come up with a thin stroke, like make a O, then again go up and come down with a thick stroke and then a thin curve. So make a O basically, then again come up, go down with a thick stroke and come up with a thin stroke. Now last letter for today is D. So D is also same as A. First write a O like this, then from here go up to this box, make a curve, come down with a thick line and take a turn. Make a O with a thick and thin stroke. From here go up to this corner with a thin stroke, come down with a thick stroke and again make a turn with a thin stroke. You have to write this letter a little cross. I'll be sending you a snapshot of this. Repeat all the letters on 5 lines. So this was all for your day 5. Keep practicing. Thank you.